So what you want to ask for is a piece of a plate, or it doesn't have to be necessarily paper, but something that you can put down that the water won't eventually melt onto it, okay? So this is the spacer test, as I mentioned. You want to start off with a piece of aluminum. So Mr. and Mrs. Jones, this is an aluminum spacer. This is what the most common spacer used in most windows today. Please imagine if it's 10 degrees outside, it's going to conduct into your home. But here's a neat little test to explain just that. If you want to zoom in down here, I'm going to be the customer and put my finger on it, but you want to, as a sales rep, hold it as it gets closer and closer with the customer's finger on it. And then once it touches, ask them, it's almost instant that you feel the cold come through, okay? So Mr. and Mrs. Jones, you can feel that pretty quickly. It probably takes 2 or 3 seconds, would you say, before you start feeling that cold? Okay, and that's just ice. And then just a few seconds. So you can imagine along a course of, how long is winter? 9 months here in New England, how cold that's going to be. And eventually the entire space along the window edges gets very, very cold, okay? So now what I want to have you do, same thing, the customer put their finger right there. And it's important that the finger goes on, touching it before it hits the glass, or the ice, excuse me. Quite frankly, the finger can sit on all day and you'll not feel the conduction come through, okay? That is the ice test. Very simple, yet extremely effective.